Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. I'm out here this morning, once again, doing a park run, doing the Stebonheath Parkrun. So this is the first time at this park run for myself. So the course is going to be a little bit interesting to figure out because it is quite a different course, I guess. They call it a bit of a figure eight. I'll put the map up here and then sort of mark where you guys would need to go if you haven't done it before. So yeah, out in the States North, doing Stebonheath Parkrun. Last time I was meant to do it, it was meant to be for one of their birthday celebrations. Got called away for work, so unfortunately I wasn't able to do it. So yeah, anyway, a little bit wet out here this morning, but anyway, it should be a bit of fun.
That things aren't going my way, cause that would be boring. Spend my last cent on cheese and champagne. What a wonderful morning. Never mind, she declined to the first date. It was only on my birthday. Never mind all the lines on the highway. Give me time to reflect a bit, cause I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. Real good morning. Real good morning. I guess that things can only get better from here, but sometimes I wonder, I might have met the love of my life, but I lost a number. Never mind, she declined to the first date. I went to Vegas with a roommate. Never mind all the lines on the highway. I aim to misbehave, cause I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good time. Having a bad day, yeah. A real good morning. A real good morning. A real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. A real good morning. A real good morning. Real good morning.
Alright guys, there you go. So that is Stebonheath Parkrun done, and I tell you what, it was surprisingly good. Not that I thought it was going to be a bad course by any means, but with the loop in the out and back, there was just something about it that it just didn't seem like such a long course. You know, it's still 5k's, and maybe I ran a little bit easier than I normally would. Maybe that's what it is, but it just sort of seemed to be over a lot quicker. Had a lot of fun. This soft sort of gravel surface here, to be honest, it's probably good for my foot as well, because I am still battling some heel pain, but we'll get through that. We'll just sort of take it one step at a time, and yeah, not get too carried away. So anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope that gives you an idea of what the Stebonheath Parkrun course is. If you haven't done it already, hopefully it encourages you to get out and give it a bit of a crack. So, and yeah, if you're one of the locals here that I was talking to today, that you've seen one of my videos, or you follow my channel along, thank you so much. The support means everything. Hopefully I did your course justice. Hopefully you enjoy this video. So anyway, I'm off. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna eat some food, grab a nice coffee, and yeah, we'll see you guys all in the next video.